data forecasting model to know the social impact of poverty in the era of globalization in West Java Province, Indonesia. Hamzah Nanda Hidayati, Universitas Pakuan, Postgraduate Program, Universitas Pakuan. Background: globalization has a social impact in the form of poverty. Meanwhile, poverty data in West Java Province, Indonesia will increase in 2021 by 960 people. In addition to education, a country poverty level so is citizen welfare. Therefore, the poverty level in that country must be considered in the Sustainable Development Goal. Poverty in the priority scale to be considered. Based on the poverty rate in the province of West Java, data from the Central Statistics Agency in 2021. Seeing this is necessary to forecast data for the pure in 2025 so that the government can make policies to reduce poverty. Research conducted by Fadila 2020 explained that the unemployment rate effect on poverty. However, the result of research conducted by Kebila and Wulandari explained that the open and unemployment literature review. Poverty is the inability to meet the minimum standard of basic needs, namely food and non-food needs. Poverty from social inequality is caused by people being categorized as having met the minimum basic needs. However, it is still much lower than the surrounding communication. The more significant the income inequality between the upper and lower classes, the more the number of people as poor people. In other words, poverty is directly proportional to the problem of income distribution. Faisal Basri explained that one of the conditions for the successful of development program is very dependent on the accuracy of identification on the target area and target group. The success of effort to eradicate the poor depends on the initial step of policy formulation, including correctly identifying who is in the category of poor people and where they are located, and through the poverty profile in the community, making poverty policies more targeted. The evaluation step of every policy that the government has carried out, especially poverty evaluation policies, has supported. Methodology in this study, the data used as research material was obtained through review from the official website of the Central Statistics Agency (BPS). The forecasting technique used in this research use quantitative research method with time series analysis of the autoregressive integrative moving average ARIMA model. Starting from data stationary model identification, model estimation, model verification, and forecasting. Processing data stationary, model identification, model estimation, verification, model forecasting. Figure 1 ARIMA procedure. Result and discussion. Model identification result based on the result of data identification data on the poor population of West Java is statistics data. After the unit root test is carried out, the following is a picture of the model identification result. From the plot image above, it can be determined that the ARIMA 1.2, 0.2, model are the best because the sample value for the autocorrelation function AC and partial autocorrelation function PAC tend to decrease exponentially. The result of diagnosis check by performing the Q-Yung box test and the result in discussion after forecasting the generating predictive data. The data is then transferred from a view to Excel to calculate the mean above deviation mean square error and mean absolute percentage error maps values. This is the data using ARIMA simulation result from the autoregressive moving method. The average ARIMA in West Java for population data. Okay. And then go to conclusion and recommendation. Based on the finding and discussion, it is found that the pure population in West Java will increase in 2021 and the forecast obtained is for predicting the number of poor people in 2022 in 2023 and in 2024 it will be more tune. This forecasting use the ARIMA autoregressive interactive moving average model 1.2.1 is the most accurate method with mean absolute deviation error parameter of MSE mean square error and MAPE mean absolute percentage error of 8%. Thank you.